I'm excited to introduce to you today the Big Welcome WordPress plugin. This plugin is a great way to grab your visitors' attention because it allows you to create customizable, full-size welcome screens on any page or post on your website. You can include any call to action you'd like, whether it's to sign up for your email list, link to a certain blog post, or just make a timely announcement with a special graphic. So let's take a look at how the Big Welcome plugin works. After you install and activate the plugin, you will find the Big Welcome settings under the Settings menu on the left-hand side in WordPress. Go ahead and click on Big Welcome. Under Screen ID 1 is where you're going to add your very first welcome screen. So you can go ahead and add a name here. And this name is just for your reference only. It is not displayed to your visitors. Under opt-in form code is where you're going to paste in the code from your autoresponder. So I'm going to jump over to Aweber and I'm going to get the raw HTML version of the code here. First, I'm going to make sure that I have unchecked Include Beautiful Form Styles because we just want the plain basic form. And when I copy this, I'm going to use my keyboard and I'm also going to skip this very top line. So I'm going to start here at Form Method, and using my keyboard scroll down to copy everything. And do a Command C, and then jump back over and do a Command V. Now it's important that you do skip that top line, and also if you're having problems, make sure that you're using your keyboard instead of your mouse to copy and paste. Now what we can do is view autoresponder code to check and make sure everything is aligned properly, and it looks like it is. The name field is a name, email is an email, the URL looks good, and our fields are all in here. So it looks like everything pasted in properly. Now we can go ahead and do our labels. So our name label, you can say first name, name, whatever you prefer. Email, I'm just going to say email. And button label is what's going to be displayed on the button. I'm just going to say sign up here for an example. Now what you can do under screen settings is you can change the background color of the screen. So let's make ours a pretty blue color here to grab attention. Text color, I think I'll just leave it black. And then our button color, maybe we can have a bright green color to grab the user's attention. Under animation, this is how your welcome screen will fade out. So it can either fade out, slide out, bounce out, rotate out, or zoom out. So you can pick and just play around with these to see which one you prefer. Show this on home page. You can choose yes or no here. I'm going to choose yes because I want this to display on my home page. If you choose no, then you can go ahead and go into an individual page or post, and I'll show you that in a few minutes. You can also cookie, and so this way your visitors won't see your welcome screen every time they visit for a certain number of days. So you can add anything you'd like there. And over under content, this is where you can add your text telling your visitors what they should be signing up for. You can also add images here, HTML, link to certain blog posts. The options are endless here. I'm just going to type something in quick here. And I'm going to add a little space above. And let's see, I'll make this a little bigger. Okay, and when you have all of your settings in, go ahead and click Save Changes. If you have more than one welcome screen to add, you can go ahead and click Save and Add, and that will add another screen ID. So now you'll have a screen ID 2, and this is where you'll add your second screen. So let's take a quick look at what our welcome screen looks like. Here's the welcome screen we just created, and you'll see we have the name field, the email, and the sign up button here. Next, we'll take a look at the settings on an individual post or page. So when you're in your post or page, you'll see a big welcome settings section here on the right hand side. So it'll say display welcome screen no, or it'll give you the options of all of your different welcome screens. So I'll choose welcome screen 1. So my welcome screen 1 will display on this post. Now you can also go back to your big welcome settings and update it so that welcome screen will not show on the home page. So you can decide whether you want it to only show on this page or post and not the home page, or you can have it display on the home page as well. And you can also have an unlimited amount of welcome screens here to choose from. By default, the big welcome display setting on the pages and posts are set to no. So you can go into each one individually and set it to the certain welcome screen that you'd like. As you can see from this demo, the Big Welcome WordPress plugin is extremely powerful, yet makes it very easy for you to add welcome screens on any page or post on your website, including your home page.